Hello, my name's Kip Vaughan. I am the lead BMW Genius here at Performance BMW, soon to be BMW of Southpoint. We are sitting in the brand new BMW X2. This is a all new X2, and I love this thing. It's like an X1, but it's lower, wider. The suspension's tuned up a bit. It's much sportier. It's awesome. One of the cool things they've done with this is they've added what BMW calls black panel technology, where it's a traditional dash, but they made it so it looks like a digital dash. So it's all black, but everything like the numbers and the needles are lit up to contrast. So it just looks like that's all there is there. This also has the new iDrive 6.0, so you get the tile layout on the screen, and these are adjustable, so you can actually move these around however you want. And it's a full touchscreen as well. So this has an 8-speed transmission. Works just like a normal one. It also has the Steptronic, so you can push it over to the left and shift it like a manual transmission. Now let's hop out and take a look at the outside.
So one of the cool things about this car is they've taken it and given it a very modern look. So age-wise, the halos have a hexagonal shape to give it a very modern feel. And in a first for BMW, they've taken the kidney grills and they've actually turned them upside down. So it's still the kidney grill, but wider, more aggressive looking. This specific trim is what's called the M Sport X. So you get painted body panels all around, but one of the distinguishing features is it gives this frozen silver or frozen gray finish on the trim. So you come around and you can see it goes all the way around on the trim for the entire car. Another thing they've done, and this is a homage to some of their older cars, is they've actually put a BMW badge on the back pillar. And that's an homage to the old like 3.0 CSL and cars like that. And also, one of the cool things is there's not like a traditional handle to open this. You just go like that, and it pops open. And you get lots of trunk space, as well as if you have a deeper or taller piece, this is removable, and you have a very deep little well in here to give you more height. Cool, I really enjoyed doing this today. Check back later for more of these videos, and we'll see you on the flip side.